Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is Friday afternoon. It's around, well, it's actually the nighttime at this point. It's 6:30. We just got up to our lake house and we are spending the weekend here for another change of scenery. We take our weekends in quarantine very seriously. So today we are gonna have dinner as a family. My mom is currently making a cheese board and we're gonna make a little mocktail, put on our playlist for the night. And everyone has honestly been very busy and working this whole week, so it's gonna be really nice to just relax a little bit and catch up with everyone. So that's what's happening right now. My mom's and Elizabeth are getting dinner situated and I will update you in a little bit. My sisters, me, and my dad, we're gonna walk around the neighborhood. We just had dinner. We had a cheese board and just some appetizers. It was delicious. Gonna go for a little nightly stroll.
Buzzing, and we're humming, and we're loving all day. Flying high like the birds and the bees, and we're feeling alive while we float with the breeze. Cause we're buzzing, and we're humming, and we're loving all day. Yeah, feels good when I'm near you. I got the whole world in our rear view, but when you're here, I can feel you like a summer day in June. Migrate from the bad times now. Love crimes never held me.
Okay, hi friends, happy Saturday. I just wanted to do a quick update with you all since I feel like I really haven't talked too much in the vlog, but you haven't missed a whole lot. It's Saturday. It is gorgeous outside, you guys. It is beautiful. It's like 70 degrees, I think. The sun is shining. There is not a cloud in the sky, and it's just beautiful, and it's getting me so excited for summer. So I slept in, obviously, no shock there. And then we had brunch. Today we had fruit and pancakes, delicious. And then after that, I got changed, ready to go. Big activity for today, which I'm really excited about showing, is we are setting up our porch. Because it's so nice out. It's gonna be like 70 degrees, it's sunny. So this is what it looks like right now. Obviously we don't have anything out. This is our furniture, and this is like my favorite room, and I'm so excited to start sitting out here. So let's go ahead and get started.
Migrate from the bad times now. Love crimes never held me down. We've been through all these grapevines. How we gonna find out truth? Buzzing, and we're humming, and we're loving all day. Flying high like the birds and the bees, and we're feeling alive while we float with the breeze. Cause we're buzzing, and we're humming, and we're loving all day. Fly your wings when you're with me, girl. Take a trip, we can feel this world. Leave it all, watch your life unfurl. Let these moments move. Deeper than the blue that you see now. Way above all the seas with our wings out. Good times, yeah, we got them on speed out. Sun shining through. Flying high like the birds and the bees. buzzing, buzzing, and we're humming, humming, and we're loving all day. Flying high like the bird and the bees, and we're feeling alive while we float with the breeze. Cause we're buzzing, buzzing, and we're humming, humming, and we're loving all day.
Alrighty, you guys, so the porch is all set up and done, so I want to show you how it looks. This looks so pretty. So they put all of the cushions out. So we have some new Serena and Lilly pillows for this year. We switched them out. Fresh tulips. We have a little lantern. This tray, I'm pretty sure, is from Serena and Lilly. And then we have these coasters, which I think our aunt got for us. They're so cute. Blanket over the chair with the cushion. That is like the best view right here. And then we have our rug, which is from Serena and Lilly. And then over in this corner, we have the big chair that swivels. The cushions are out. We have this white pillow, which is from Serena and Lilly. We put the throw. We have some fresh peonies. The lamp we set up. And then I showed this earlier, but we also hung up the new Serena and Lilly mirror, which was a new addition for this year on the porch. Okay, hi friends. It's a little later now. I'm in the car with Terry and we're gonna go because I said that I wanted iced coffee, so he was like, I'll go take you to get it. And it's a gorgeous day out. It's like that soft opening. Just ease into it, That was good. That was nice. That was really good. We just got, I got an iced black coffee. Terry, what'd you get?
Iced tea?
Iced tea. He's the big iced tea guy. Now we're listening to Total Eclipse of the Heart. And I need you more tonight. And I need you more than ever. We'll be holding on forever. I don't know what to do. So she said, what's the problem, baby? What's the problem? I don't know. Well, maybe I'm in love, think about it. We just came over to see my grandparents. Hello, it's such a beautiful day out. Yeah, it's gorgeous. Hello everyone, I'm back in the same outfit because it's just us and I wanted to dress up for dinner. So Saturday night, hi Mom, and we're about to have some dinner. We got our takeout for the weekend. We got salads. Elizabeth, you set this all up. You're just so cute. Yeah. So we're gonna have some lemonade because I think we have some fancy lemonade available, but I will show you what we're eating. So this is our dinner right now. We're having these salads from a little local restaurant, and then our placemats are ginger jars, which are my absolute favorites. So I'm really actually so excited about this, and we're gonna eat. You keep me in the middle. You keep me up all night. You solve my every riddle. You make it all just fine. So hard for you. Falling. Oh, I fall so hard for you. Okay, good morning everyone and happy Sunday. We have our brunch set up and we're having some omelets, a little bit of fruit. We have some toast and bacon and some orange juice. So Elizabeth got up and made us all omelets, and then obviously my mom set this up for the three of us. This looks so delicious and it's another beautiful day out, so I'm so excited to eat this and then go on with the rest of our day. So I just walked down to the beach because it's so pretty out and I just wanted to see how it looked, and there's actually like a good amount of people out here right now, which is really funny considering it's what, May 3rd, and there's so many boats out. So it's a beautiful, beautiful day, and I'm just walking around right now, and then I'll probably go back and we had brunch this morning. I actually haven't updated you guys yet today. We had brunch this morning. I'm gonna go back, probably sit on my porch, edit video, and I have homework since I'm still in school. I just want it to be summer. Look how pretty that is. So yeah, that's the update. So we just got 4 iced teas, 2 for Elizabeth and I, like 1 for each of us, and then we got our parents one as well. Because the thing is why we keep getting Dunkin' is because it's the only place around here that has drive-through, because we don't want to go into places yet.
I hear you.
I just wanted to clarify in case you guys thought I had a problem.
Nobody thinks you have a problem, honey. And wipe your hand. Wipe your hand.
Thank you. Thank you.
Wow. That is good iced
Whoa!
tea.
Dad was not lying. Because yesterday, as you guys saw in the vlog, we came here and I got my coffee and he got an iced tea. And then today he was like, you guys, the iced tea was amazing. And for him to say that it's kind of a big deal.
He is an iced tea connoisseur. So he knows.
Cheers. Cheers to you.
Cheers to the weekend.
Well, it's almost over, but it was really fun. Wouldn't you say so?
I mean, like every day is the weekend. Cheers to summer.
Yeah, cheers to summer. This was our little outing and we're gonna drive around a little bit more, put the windows down, and then we're gonna go probably pick up dinner a little bit later and eat that. Before we started eating, I just wanted to pull out the vlog camera and we just picked up wraps and they're turkey, lettuce, a little bit of chips, made some more ginger beer. Yay, so we're gonna eat dinner. Okay, so we just had dinner and Elizabeth homemade these cookies. She's been working on it all by herself and we're making chocolate chip cookies. You made the batter and now we are just gonna plop them in for a little bit. This looks so good. Good job, Elizabeth.
Thank you.
These look amazing, Elizabeth. You did a great job. And we got this new plate. Mom, where did we get this from?
Sur La Table.
Sur La Table. Little palm leaf action going on here. I am so excited to eat these.